This unique Frank Lloyd Wright style home features iconic masonry and woodwork both inside and out. As you enter the home, you're greeted by a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with a waterfall that is sure to wow your guests. The living room is set in a large octagonal space with gorgeous features. High wood beam ceilings open the space, multiple skylights flood the room with vibrant natural light, and a nostalgic conversation pit awaits evenings with friends. The large kitchen boasts tons of cabinet space, an octagon center island, and a dining nook with a bay window that provides the perfect view of the beautiful country landscape. Off of the kitchen, the laundry room is spacious, providing lots of storage space as well as a convenient sink. This fantastic estate offers 4 bedrooms, a huge den that could be transitioned into a 5th bedroom, and 4 bathrooms. The master suite is complete with an ensuite bath, corner fireplace, and an amazing screened-in porch with a hot tub that looks out over the amazing property. If you like to entertain, this basement is the perfect spot to host. A spacious living area with a fireplace, a wet bar, recreation space, plus a bedroom and a bathroom offer everything you need for fun with family and friends, including a place for them to stay. The fun doesn't stop inside. Head outside to the amazing backyard paradise where you'll enjoy an in-ground pool, plus an amazing pond, a screened-in gazebo, and an awesome hangout area. As you venture past this, you'll find an enormous horse or hobby facility, including a large riding arena, sitting on 12.98 acres. With so many awesome features to name, you're going to want to come out and see this property for yourself. Call Danielle Jackson to set up your showing today.